Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a system restore point in your PC. Let's start. First, go to search, and type, restore point. Click, open. Here, let's make sure that the available drive protection is turned on. To do that, select the available drive you want to create restore point, and click Configure. Then, be sure to choose the Turn on System Protection. And click Apply. Then OK. Now that your drive protection is on, we can now start creating a restore point. To do that, click Create. Here, be sure to put a description to help you identify your restore point. I will put a description of Restore Point 2. Then click Create. Congratulations, now you created a restore point. To check your restore point, simply click System Restore and hit Next. Here, you will see the description we created, Restore Point 2. You can also check the date when it was created. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to hit also the notification bell, so you will get the latest video tutorials. Thanks for watching, God bless.